All right, so here we have a quadratic function. Y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. And I made a table for it real quick. My x values basically 0, 1, 2, 3. Plug them in, we get negative 4, 1, 10, 23. So I know this is quadratic because the x has a squared. So looking at the equation, it's a quadratic. But look, if we were just given the table, let's say we only had this. This is all we have. How can we tell what type of function it is? Well, the first thing we can do is check to see, well, the x's are always going up. They're going up one every time. All right, constant change in x. So let's see what's going on with our y's. From negative 4 to 1, that goes up 5. From 1 to 10, that goes up 9. And from 10 to 23, that goes up 13. Okay, this right here is called the first difference. All right, the first difference in a linear function, the first difference is always the same. That's the constant rate. This first difference is not the same. It's a 5 and then a 9 and then a 13. They're different. The first difference is different. So what we want to do now to tell, let's see, is it going to be quadratic? If it's a quadratic, there's something called the second difference. That second difference, we find the difference of the first difference. I know that sounds silly, but the second difference, now I look at my difference numbers, meaning up 5, up 9, up 13. That's my first difference. Now what I'm going to do, what does it go from 5 to 9? That goes up 4. What about from 9 to 13? Oh my gosh, that goes up 4. These are the same. If the second difference is the same, then it is a quadratic. That's how you can look at a table, and not look at a table, but use a table to tell that it is a quadratic function. We use the first differences and find the difference of them to see if it's the same.